This is exactly how to boost volume on any Samsung phone or increase the sound quality or sound volume on any Samsung. So get into your mobile settings, tap on sounds and vibration. In this option, basically scroll down and there is an option to sound quality and effects. Right now, you might see there is a Dolby Atmos disable, which is only enabled when you have plugged in your headphones, earphones, or something like that. Turn that on. Now there is a equalization option, you can particularly do that, but one thing is way more interesting is adapt sound. Now this is something which is very cool. So you can do this for only media or only for calls. Suppose if you're getting some troubles in hearing the another person on the call, then you can definitely set this option. Now do this, you have to set it over 60-year-old, because the older the people get, the higher they hear the sound. So this is what you have to do. Simply tap this and you can just do the preview, and for this you have to obviously connect your headphones. So I have connected my headphones. Let me do a quick preview test. So let's just preview it. Personalized. Now you might have seen some difference in that, like in the personalized option there is a higher volume, and this is what you can do. And obviously I don't recommend it for longer hours. You can do this for few times, but if you are actually around that age, then obviously you can go with it. I hope you found the video helpful.